Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribe if you want to see more colorful videos and interesting facts. Today we will talk about the annoying things about the zodiac signs as they are. As a note, all these annoying things about your zodiac signs may not apply to you because some of them are universal opinions and they don't include everyone. And we also have to consider a lot of things such as your each zodiac ascendant, time of birth, etc. I am not an astrologist and these are simply my opinions which I've made over the time based on each people I know from each zodiac sign. Hope you guys will enjoy these true or false impressions. For the first zodiac sign, it's Aries. These people get mad pretty easy because they consider that they are always right about everything. Aries want to rule the world around them and you simply have no chance to make them agree with you. Taurus can sometimes act like it's the end of the world. When they want something, they just stuck with that wish and nothing can convince them to quit the idea. It's like talking to a wall. Despite all this, a Taurus can be lazy sometimes. Do you have among your friends a Gemini? If you do, you know that they love communication and informations. But a Gemini can sometimes seem like they know everything, even what you're about to say, despite the fact that they don't really have a clue. I guess that it would be a good thing if they just would listen from time to time. You either accept a Gemini as he is, or you make sure you have enough patience. The annoying things about Cancer. People around this zodiac sign can sometimes feel pressure because they always have to reassure Cancer that everything is alright. They are too sensitive and you have to always treat them like they are a precious vessel. If you have a Leo among your friends, you know that a Leo can be like a crying baby sometimes when he doesn't feel appreciated, and he will constantly complain about that. They always want credit, a lot of credit. And God forbid if they are having a bad day because all the universe will hear about it. Are you familiar with the alert sign or the alert sound? Because Virgos are like firemen, always in alert. These people can turn a quite simple event into something complicated. They take advices from no one. Maybe they might just consider that a second opinion is a good thing from time to time. Have you ever been shopping with a Libra before? If you have, you know that a Libra is just too undecided and analyzes too much every detail. They are always asking other people's opinion, but the frustrating part is that they don't seem to care about that opinion. Otherwise, why would they do as they wanted in the first place? Do you love vengeance? I know that a Scorpio does, and too much. They are also too impulsive and have no patience with people that are not like them. Despite the fact that they are so mysterious, they expect people to share their secrets. How about a Sagittarius? A Sagittarius refuses to take responsibility for his actions, and he is not very good at making jokes sometimes because he simply gets the wrong moment for that. Do you know that moment when you just pause everything and just take a break? Not a Capricorn. This zodiac sign simply can't enjoy a quiet moment because he is too busy working. Maybe it will be a fun and good thing to take a breath sometimes. He also tends to judge people around him because he refuses to see another part of them. Are you familiar with the phrase, "you get what you give"? Not an Aquarius. That should work better for this zodiac sign because he likes criticizing to others but never accepts critics upon him. There are moments when he starts a fight simply because he is bored. Pisces tend to get in trouble because they don't know how to say no. It's annoying that they don't seem to listen and pay attention to your words when you're having a conversation with them. They also can be very naive and easy to manipulate. Hope you guys enjoy it, and make sure you leave a comment down below with your zodiac sign and tell me if my impressions were true or false about your zodiac sign. See you!